Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Muhammad Syarif bin Muda. Hari ini saya akan present tentang practical exercise 2 bersama Muhammad Dian Ibn Sabaruddin. So, practical exercise 2 ni tentang login from multiple source. Objective part 1 use syslog to capture log file from multiple network device. Part 2 observe AAA user access login. Dan 3 observe network flow information. So kita terus ke part 1. Okay, step 1 the syslog server. Syslog is a messaging system designed to support remote login. Syslog client send log entries to a syslog server. The syslog server concentrate and store log entries. Packet tracer support basic syslog operation and can be used for demonstration. The network include a syslog server and syslog client. So for router 1, router 2, core switch, and the firewall are syslog client. These devices are configured to send the log entries to the syslog server. The syslog server collect the log entries and allow them to be read. Log entries are categorized by 7 severity level. Lower level represent more serious event. The level are emergencies 0, alert 1, critical 2, error 3, warning 4, notification 5, informational 6, and debugging 7. Syslog client can be configured to shape log entries and syslog server based on the severity level. So A, click the syslog server to open its window. So click on the syslog server, and then B, select the server tab and select syslog from the list of service shown on the left. So go to service and find the syslog and click syslog. So for C, click on to turn on the syslog service. So we click on here. So syslog entries coming from syslog client will be shown in the window on the right. Currently there are no entries, so there are no entries over here. Keep this window open, visible, and move to step 2. So we are gonna move to step 2. The device are already configured to send log message to the syslog server, but Packet Tracer only support the login for debugging severity level with syslog. Because of that, we must generate debug level message level 7 so they can be sent to syslog server. So click R1, okay, R1 here. Okay, go to R1 and go to CLI tab. Okay, then press enter to get a command prompt. So we press enter and we type enable. After enable, enter the command debug. The command debug EIGRP packet to enable ARP debugging. The command line also will immediately fill with debug message. So we type the command debug EIGRP packets. Okay, so update request query reply hello ACK. So we wait. After a few messages have been logged, click the radio button to turn the syslog service off. What is some of the information that include a syslog message that will be displayed by the syslog server? Wait. Verify the log address on the syslog server. After a few messages have been logged, click the radio button to turn the syslog service on. Radio button. So we go to syslog server, and here, as you can see, so what is some of the information that include in the syslog message that have been displayed on the syslog server? So it show you the sending hello on every cable. As you can see, gig 0.100. So this is the last VLAN mismatch discovered. So okay. So and then we syslog service off. So we turn off the syslog. So close the router 1 window. So we close the router 1. So I gonna move to I'm sorry, I gonna switch to Danish for part 2.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Muhammad Danis bin Sabaruddin. Saya akan sambung di part 2. Okay, log user access. Another important type of log relates to user access. Having records of user login in crucial for troubleshooting and traffic analysis. Cisco iOS support authentication, authorization, and accounting. With AAA, it is possible not only to delegate the user valid validation tasks to external server but also to log activities. TACACS Plus is a protocol designed to allow remote authentication through a centralized server. Packet Tracer offer basic AAA and TACACS Plus support. R2 is also configured as a TACACS Plus server. R2 will ask the server if that user is valid by verifying username and password and grant or deny access based on the response. The server store user credential and is also able to log user login transaction. Follow the step below to log in to R2 and display the log entries relate to the login. Okay, first click the Silog server to open it window. Okay, first kita akan pergi Silog server, Syslog. Syslog server, kita akan pergi ke A accounting. Okay, so kita tengok je. Okay, lepas tu kita pergi ke R2. Kita pergi ke R2. Dia suruh pakai CLI. Okay, username dia adalah analyst. Okay, password dia CyberOp. Okay. After that, selepas kita login R2, kita akan melihat balik ke syslog server. Dia keluar something. Apa dia keluar ni? Dia keluarkan date, username, flag. Banyak dia keluar. Okay, selepas kita tengok daripada syslog server tadi, kita akan masuk ke R2 dan kita buatkan logout command. Okay, lepas kita logout, dia kata what happened in the AA accounting window. Okay, jom kita okay, kita lihat kat syslog. Okay, dia punya date akan berubah dan dia punya flag akan stop. Bila kita login, dia punya flag akan start dan kalau logout dia akan stop. Okay.
Okay, saya akan sambung untuk part 3. Jangan ketawa palat. Okay, saya akan sambung untuk part 3, network flow and visualization. So, in the topic, syslog flow is also a network flow collector. Firewall is a configured as a firewall exporter. Click on the syslog server, bring up its window, close the AAA record window. So, kita close AAA record window. And from the desktop tab, select network flow collector. So, pergi dekat network flow collector. And the network flow collector service should be turned on. So, okay, dia dah turn on. So, kita pergi from any PC. Okay, from any PC. Kita pilih PC satu persatu. So, pergi dekat desktop tab. Okay. Kita pergi command prompt. So, kita akan ping corp web server 209.265.200.194. So, kita akan ping dulu. Ping 209.150.200.194. Okay, kita tengok dia reply atau tidak. Tunggu sekejap. Okay, request time out. Okay, dia reply tapi dia lambat sikit. Okay. So, after the brief delay, the pie chart will update to show the new traffic flow. So, kita pergi balik dekat syslog server. Kita tunggu sekejap. Tengok dia bertukar warna ataupun tidak. So, okay. So, dia dah bertukar warna. The pie chart display very based on traffic on network, the packet flow. Such relate such EIGRP relate traffic are being sent between device and workflow is capturing this packet as exporting statistics to the workflow collector. The longer the workflow is allowed to run on a network, the more traffic statistic will be captured. So, ni adalah present kami untuk practical task practical exercise 2. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum.